Ladies and gentlemen, I am back with another teaching opportunity. This time we are in Vietnam. Full-time teacher to start as soon as possible. Salary is 1,700. If you convert that into your currency, you will see that you're going to have a lots of money. The fields of expertise is ESL to children in kindergarten. So yeah, almost for kids, students from primary to high school. They've got kindergartens, primary schools, secondary schools, and high schools in their system that you have to choose the suitable level. Number of students is from 20 to 30 per class. Books, family and friends, let's go solutions. So you have to follow a syllabus using a provided supplementary materials to deliver engaging lessons, focus on improving communication skills. That's the main aim. So you gotta be the age of 21 to 45. Look at the nationalities. That's the part that I want the most. My country is not there, but I'm doing this for you guys. If you're from USA, UK, Canada, Australia, Ireland, or something like that, South African, Scottish, New Zealand, they want you there. You can work from 6 to 12 months and negotiate for a longer contract and all that. Look what they supply. Look. Able to work from bachelor in teaching certificate. It's a lot to look at the requirements and the packages and stuff. The rewards, the year bonus 600. And you get at least 1 day off per week just to refresh. What else would you want? Check that out, guys. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are moving on. I just showed you the Vietnam school. So what's important is also to check the name of the school in case you do not find time to check the link in my description to make the application. You can check the name of the school. So on Vietnam, just check there, it's written Mike. That's the name of the school. But this one now, it's Chinese vacancies. Teach in Guangzhou, southern China. August 2022, start immediately. So today's date, I got this email today, which is the 13th of June 2022. So you can check there the number. There's quite a number of posts that are starting in August and September for these different levels of kids. And is it a secondary or primary? You can check on the right side. Secure your international teaching jobs with SICK teachers. Send your CVs or contact win@sickteachers.com. sickteachers.com, so that they can help you to make the application. I think I will have to make this email address a general address for every application that anyone can think of, because this is also the website that posts these jobs. So about the school, they give you the information there. And what is it that you need to have as a candidate? You need to have a bachelor's degree or above in education or any relevant subject. You need to have a teaching qualification such as PGCE, QTS, or any teaching credentials. You should be a native English speaker, because that's what the client requires. Must have 3 years of solid teaching experience. And you can check the benefits at the bottom and all the other information at the bottom. They will tell you to apply now. You can tell you to apply now. So that's what you need to know, guys. Just check it out. Check the name of the school. Check the email. Very important, so that you can do the application without any problems. Oh my god, guys, this is job posting in Singapore. They need a reading specialist. So if you know you're good with reading, you might be the best candidate. It was posted on the 10th of June 2022. Reading specialist in Singapore. Look at the salary. Guys, I wish my country was also part of those countries that are required to apply. That's a lot of money. 3,300 US dollars. They need someone who is an expert in ESL to children, high school, and even universities. Look at the name of the school or name of the institution. Don't forget that. Under details there, I can read. So if you can't use the link that is, you can just search the name of the school. and it will take you to where the post is, and you can do the application. Get 3,300. Yo, if you're a degree holder in education, what, look at that. You can read all that. If you're good at teaching, and if teaching is a calling, new university graduates with some internship experience strongly encouraged to apply. 1 or 2 years of classroom experience, right? At least a bachelor's degree, preferably in teaching. All that. English as a first language with a universally recognizable accent and a strong command of both English and written. We must be enthusiastic about teaching kids. Due to work pass regulations in Singapore, we need you to indicate your year of birth in your application. Okay, a competitive salary. I saw it, and then let me see if there is any countries that are listed. Seems here they didn't mention countries. There's a lot of benefits at the bottom. Small class size, paid training program with I can read, round trip flight reimbursement upon completion. Guys, come on. Sure, I think I didn't see any countries listed here. I'm gonna apply because I need this. I need this. So if you may not go to the link, guys, check it. It's written serious TEFL certificates, and it's written here. Click to apply. So the name of this website is called seriousteachers.com. So you can use that and do the application. Serious Teachers. You can see this on seriousteachers.com. That's the name of the website. Go check these vacancies and make your application and get some money for yourself. Bye.